with 21 birthday candle holder. So I got this candle holder from the Dollar Tree, and here go the UPC if you need it. So I do have tape on here. I got the tape as well from the Dollar Tree um, to mark off the section that we need like that. So I got that marked so I know exactly where my image need to go. And I measured it with my tape measure. Now, she wanted some poker chips. So I looked these up and they was free online. I Googled them and I Googled casino chips, but you could put in casino chips or poker chips and they will come up. So this one, I cut it out on my Cameo, but you can use any cutting machine that you have. So I did put the transfer tape on there and I got the roll of transfer tape from Amazon. So I got this right here. So I'm gonna line this back up so I know exactly, well, I don't have to have this on there because I got the tape to mark my section. So I have this on there and I know exactly where my chip has to go. So if it don't come up when, like it was pulling up back up when I had put it on there, you just lay it back down and just rub it. Here go this. I'm gonna put 2 on this side. I'm just gonna flip it over. Use the same markers from there. I just rub my hand across it. Well, also got the squeegee, so I want to squeegee it a little bit off camera. But I ordered this. It was like 3 in a pack for like $5. So this one I'm gonna put at the bottom, and then I'll put the black one at the top. So I use scrap paper, scrap vinyl for this. Is Oracle 651. So whatever I had left over in my bin of scraps, she wanted red and black, so I did have those colors and little scrap pieces. Like that. So we'll just sit it. I'll take these off like this, and I'll just sit it up there like that. So she's having a party at night. So I got these tea lights from the Dollar Tree, and you get 3 in a pack, and it's supposed to burn 360 hours. So it's enough time for her party to be done and over with. So I open these. And it's like, you pull a little piece of plastic back there, and it light up. So just sit that in there, and then at night for her party, it will glow on her table. Thank you for coming. I dimmed the light a little bit so you can see what it will look like when it's dark. So it will be a little bit brighter than that because it's a little bit lighter. We still got some light in here. So you do have the concept though of what you see. So I got everything, the tea lights in this container from the Dollar Tree.